GCAI review. Let's get started. So what is GCAI? So it's an AI-powered assistant tailored for those in-house legal teams and general counsel. It offers document analysis for up to 2,500 pages with preserved formatting. They also have AI-powered drafting, redlining, summarization, and contract review. They also have integration with Word, which is a better plugin, and then an inline for legal workflows. They also have real-time legal research via trusted sources and source citations. And they features like easy prompt, prompt library, and company context memory for tailored outputs. So what it offers is speed and efficiency. So it has a widely praised by GC and legal teams. And they also have enterprise grade security and compliance. They also have global support for multiple language and have deep document intelligence and word plugin. The only downside is though they have the enterprise level costs, so it's highly costly and less accessible to small firms. They also have relatively a newcomer platform, so it's still new and still learning. So it's not for outside counsel as well, and some research caveats. So in comparison, it has some drafting and redlining, some legal research, document handling, and ease of use. But is it worth it? Well, yes, if you're an in-house legal team or GC needing a reliable, secure copilot for contracts, and if you're handling large documents. However, if you're a solo practitioner or a small firm, then you might want a better alternative.